To start the game, place a single red dot in the top right-hand corner. This represents the first infected fish. Then fill in all of the other circles with black dots representing susceptible fish. Here I'll be showing you an example of playing version 1 of the game where the transmission probability is 60%, the recovery probability is 30%, and the death probability is 70%. So in round 1, we're going to determine how many fish get infected in the first round, and if I roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, then the fish gets infected because there is a 60% probability of infection. In round 2, determine how many fish get newly infected and circle these newly infected fish with a red line. And determine how many fish recover. Here, the recovery probability is 30%, so rolling a 1, 2, or 3 means that the fish will in fact recover. And lastly, fill in all of the red circles, record the number of susceptible, infected, recovered, and dead fish in the recording table, and move on to the next round. Now on to round 3. The same process occurs as before, where we first start off by determining how many fish are newly infected, and again, rolling a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 means that the fish will be newly infected, and you will circle that with a red line. Next, we determine how many fish recover, and again, rolling a 1, 2, or 3 means that the fish will recover, and so you replace the red dot with a blue dot. In rounds 3, 6, and 9, we also have to determine how many fish die. In version 1 of the game, the death probability is 70%, so rolling a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 means that the fish will die. If the fish does die, then you replace the red dot with a green dot. Once you have determined how many fish are newly infected, how many have recovered, and how many have died, fill in the red circles and record the number of susceptible, infected, recovered, and dead fish in the recording table. After completing all 10 rounds of the game, students will graph the number of susceptible, infected, recovered, and dead individuals through time, either in the worksheets provided in the lesson plan or through the Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheet that is also provided by the lesson plan. Ultimately, this generates an SIR graph allowing students to visualize the outbreak.